Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you some technical and fundamental analysis which are based on Tesla's company. Especially, we are going to figure out what is the most considerable issue which influenced Tesla stock on this downtrend. And ultimately, I will show you what can we expect from this stock price. First of all, let's see what happened in Tesla's price in the last 6 months. As you can see, Tesla's price has already fallen almost 45%. And is something terrible for companies like Tesla. The reason of that is that the quarters of the last 2 quarters was much lower than actually that from that analyst was expected. As you can see, the first one is what about 10% of earnings down and almost 4% of revenues down from analysts, the expectations of analysts. And the second one, it was much better from the previous one due to the reason that the surprise of earnings was almost 3% and the revenues almost 2%. Right now, I would like to show you some levels that actually are much considerable for the stock price. And as you can see, this one level, and then we can draw a level here, is much considerable, is much important for this stock price due to the reason that the Tesla's price can be touched here, okay, and then come back again at the prices that somebody would like to see this company. But I believe that the most important here is that this level here, this area, right now I show you this about this distance from these prices, just because I would like to keep in your mind to show tolerance at the stock price, okay? But what I believe that can be happening right now, okay? Because actually we are waiting for our next earnings report in 3 days. The Tesla's price can move, can do some various moves, and I believe that what can happen, I will show you right now in the chart. Tesla's price can touch down at these prices, can come here, okay, or here is it's a good level, and to do some consolidations in a lower time frames and not 4 hours, okay, we can see that in the 1 hour, some consolidations here, and the price can come back again in the prices that actually we would like to see. But it's a good it's there is chances that Tesla's price cannot be tested here and then goes back. So it's something so difficult, it's something so a tough thing for people, for investors who actually have already opened a long position. But everything can happen. The key element that I would like to show you right now is that the expectations that actually right now analysts waiting for. As you can see, for this quarter, the analyst expected that the earnings and revenues will go much lower from the previous two. Okay, and I believe that it's a good timing for Tesla's company to go back due to the reason that there is no some commitments for company to break this, because it maybe it much easier right now to break these earnings, to break this revenue. So it's self-evident that in case that company will gonna show you gonna show you some good earnings and revenues, it's a good potential for company to go back. But in case that the stock price will gonna keep going and fall down, it's not something so important, because as you can see, we have so many quarters that actually Tesla's company just break the rules and break the earnings and revenues. Okay, so I believe that it's a good time for Tesla to come back and to see the Tesla's price and the levels that actually would like to see. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.